uLkhanyana baba wakho
kuba nzima ukuthi ngi-accept kanti lento lesigazini okubuhlungu ukuthi nami ngisesontweni ngithandaza mase ngiba intense in prayer yazi ngenzani ngizenza kani angizenzi she came to me as reveal kimi ukuthi ubabami and he was not disguising himself when people say lesonto in ama scandals I don't blame them that's why I realized later ukuthi lo muntu lo hlela lapha esihlaleni akusese uyena uLkhanyana yes
so
babami okuLkhanyana bamthebula
hayibo
and then bathatha isithunzi sakhe balida ngaso baphethe ngaso yiko kunemishikashika eminingi lapha esontweni yiko abantu abaningi bangala understand yiko abantu abaningi baphumile kulela sonto abaprofit abakhulu baphumile kulela sonto mara abayekanga lesonto but baphumile because babonile nabo ukuthi khona into wrong lana nami lento le cishe yenzeka kimi khona le time ngihlala nentombazana bangithathisa ama passport nengane bathi siye Nigeria bathi siyogada ama business walo baba wakhe lo msebenzayo kanti lapho nami ngiyothetshula
ungazibulali saphelele sonke mfowethu dadwethu amehla akagcwele inyembezi amevo ohlangabezene nawo empilweni ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni bona usaphilelani emhlabeni imihla namalanga kuvela okubi esigebeni labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni inkingo onazo siphunyukile esifubeni akekho ongazezweni uthulele bezidla ngaze ematafuleni ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki ngisho nesenkonzweni usile kodwa kusakhonzeki ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile imicabango yakho iphazamisekile amaphupho akho adukile usuphila impilo ongayithandile imisamo yonke uyivakashelile imali igcina iphelile kodwa akukho kulungile.
Greetings bafowethu ngiyabingelela lapha emakhaya. Welcome la ekhaya ku Gifted Media. You know I'm always booming with the boom content. Igama nguGift Mabunda. Your favorite one. If not yet your favorite, please guys make sure you make me your favorite by clicking the button and subscribe. Bafowethu, this is another year, another boom, another month. Bafowethu, as you know, ukuthi ngihlala nginiphethele indaba ezihlukahlukene. By the way, bafowethu, thank you so much for the support that you always showing for eGifted Media. Guys, you always making sure you support this young man to grow with this channel. And also thank you so much Facebook family, TikTok family, YouTube family. Guys, I really appreciate your support. By saying that, please let us know usibukela ukephi ukuphi nendawo la sibukela khona. Sikhe sibona ukuthi sibukela abantu bakuphi. Swaziland, Mpumalanga, eKwaGafontein, KZN, wabo komhlaba uyalingana. Please guys, let us know ukuthi usibukela ukephi lapho osibukela khona. And also guys, if you are subscribe, click the button to subscribe. We are on our way to 100k subscribers, and I believe through your support guys we're gonna reach there. Sizofika maduzana this year. Siyaliphakamisa igear. We are coming with a really boom content. Bafowethu, if you want to gift, as much I'm active I am, I can come to your wedding, I can come to your birthday, I can come to your any event that you have, funeral, any event that you have that you like to give to be your MC. Guys, I'm available. Please book me guys. Nami ngifuna ukufika lapho man. Ngifuna ukufika ngithi boom boom guy one. By the way, bafowethu angihlalanga ngedwa like haya. I always making sure ukuthi ngihlala no somebody. Bafowethu, allow me to welcome the man, the brother, the leader, Mr. Almeshin. Welcome sir.
hayi ndoda unjani
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
ngiyaphila
Yes, ingathi udoubt le intro yami ngathi ayiphelela.
awube kahle igama lami Almeshin Molopo yeah indoda bemakhaya leMpopo mara ngikhulele la eGoli.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us about you sir. The platform is yours. Usitshela ukuthi ubani, ubuyaphi, uzalwe uyabona like ukhula kanjani. Just see your background.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi abaqala ukungibona mara mhlambe if umuntu omusha ongibonayo namhlanje njengoba ngishila igama Almeshin ngindoda nje enengane yayo ena 34 years ngibiyela eMpopo ngabazali kodwa ngumpedi ungamangali mengikhuluma isiZulu kodwa ngumpedi.
Okay.
Yeah, ngikhule kanzima ngasho kanjalo impilo angeke zibe lula. I don't think ukhona umuntu ongathi yena impilo yakhe beyilula. So khuleni kwami ngihleli emakhaya eLimpopo ngahlala eMpumalanga eWitbank ngahlala nala eGoli. Yamara ngokuzala ngizalele la eGoli which is nginosiso 1 anginabo abobhuti engibaziyo at the moment. and then ngiziphilela like goalie ngicashile ngiyazama ngiyancenga impilo yami nje since 10 years back ngiphila ngokugembula kuyancengeka akufani
namanje usagembula ndoda
10 years yonke ngikhulisa ingane nje ngigembule mina
hayi ndoda
ngiyakutshela ndoda
uphila ngegambling sure hey this ngiyaqala ukuyizwa ke babukeli bethu ngiyaqala ukuyizwa umuntu ophila ngegambling hayi bafethu namhlanje kuningi esokufunda yes sir
lento meza kimi nami I didn't see it coming it was a pressure situation ukungasabi satisfied ukusebenza ngimengiqala ngigembula kana habo sengijina sekangaka ngaba ne courage ukuthi ngize nguyeke nomsebenzi 2016 until today nje impilo ya i-right ilungile nje ngenxa le nento yokugembula umuntu manje umsebenzi ngiyabuka mina nje akuthi ngiyanyatha but yangisebenzela umlungu wami
abantu bekhala ngegambling nje ke saba nosisi wakhala ukuthi wagembula impela ngisho imali beke seke seboleka imali yokugembula wena uphila kanjani ngegambling
ngaka-advise ngithi umele uzifune ukuthi wena inhlanhla yakho ukusebenzela ngakuphi
okay
kunabanye baphiwe like mhlawumbe ukuthunga meya buphi ukuthunga inaba abaphiwe ukuthi babheje amahashi nabanye abaphiwe ukuthi basebenze so umuntu kumele uzithola ungafuni into engasiyakho kufana nami ngeke ngithi ngiyovula ibhizinisi yama-taxi izongibulala akusinto zami nami nele mali eyiphathayo amagembling ungathenga itaxi mara it's not my field so kumele uzifune uzithole umuntu
sure
ngaphandle kwaloko bakhona sibasizayo ngisho kanjalo like njengoba lo sisi uyakhala uthi yena imlimazile abantu abanjalo mina ngihlangana nabo nokuthi ngiba assist there and there
uba assist kanjani spiritually
no like ngiyakunika namanje mengiphuma la ngizogama number wena
number 1 manje
mandla me lunch time ngifuna ube nemali nje just ngifuna ukukhombisa into engikhuluma ngayo
hayi no mina ngikembuli mina hey bafethu ngiyawayeka lamanamba ngifuni mina amanamba
ngizokunika i-voucher udlala ube nemali
no mina ngisindisiwe asizenzi into zokugembula
kusindisiwe apha manje egambling
kuthiwa usindisiwa ugembuli
ubani lo
kusho iBhayibheli
no that's a lie
iBhayibheli lithi ungagembuli
so yiko zinizobambeleka ke thina siyachubeka ngempilo that's a lie engikho lento le
so wena kusho ngoba hayi asiyeke indaba yokugembula wafethu uhlala nevoucher yakho mfowethu mina sindisiwe ngiyicela uNkulunkulu phela mina bafethu awusithathe mfethu ushele ukuthi in terms of your background ngisho ukuthi khona usiphathele khona namhlanje singaveli siwese isikhathi because isikhathi is not on our side and I believe ukuthi nalesikhathi sinazo kungenzeka singasicedi ngale ndaba esize ngayo namhlanje
okay into engizayisho ukuthi I'm sure mina njengoba ngishilo ukuthi bakhona baqala ukungibona story sami bakhona bazizwile sadly laba bangasizwanga mhlawumbe njengoba namhlanje ngibona ningasfollow up ngoba ngeke ngisikhave sonke benginye indoda ekhalayo ngikhaliswa intombazana uyasazi stories ngathi ukhiwa sizwa somewhere and but ngingasiza ngaka just ukubeka in short
in summarize yes
ikhe yangihlukumeza intombazana like ngenye indoda ngikhinga ngathetshulwa ngathathelwa amandla ngasetshenziswa ngiphila sengiphenduka isithunzela nje esetshenziswayo ukuyobona umuntu aphila idestiny yakho umuntu aba i-leader instead of you becoming a leader umuntu aphila lempilo wena nomele uyiphile wena bese ubale phansi isimo lesi bengikhala ngaso ngentombazana ngikhalile ngimlwisile intombazana mara bengalwisi yena kakhulu bengilwisa labantu bamsebenzisa yakhumbula baningi bashilo abo ma-minister wena abombalula emgulukuthi lamadoda lawo yibona bebangithumela ngentombazana bafuna amandla ngithi yazi in these political things amandla yafuneka so ba empty bona and then they have to chase ama gift abangangenza abantu imina lo ebakhe bamvictimizer akusuyana kuphela baningi lento bazenzayo mina ngizibonile sibhlungu because nalentombazana le bengihlala naye ndoda bebathuma nesibhedlela yobuleni ingane zabantu hayi ukuthi ngiyamosha ngiyakutshela yena ngiyabhack up istory sami khona la samthola khona vele sam interviewer iqiniso la vele abantu abangilandelela bayazi if ungamind bengabatshela ukuthi bayibheka lapha ku YouTube kodwa lapho yilabo iqiniso libona khona ukuthi hayibo kani mina sonke le story sami ngisikhuluma because mengikhuluma ngathi ayikho lento mari itheme ezovela lentombazana ila wonke umuntu waqala wabona ukuthi hayibo umhlaba kanunjani phela mina futhi into engiqhaza ukuthi mengikhuluma into ngiyabhack up I wouldn't come here on the media ngikhipha igama lengaka ngithi ngiphambene mabavele futhi ngifuna kona bangichallenge ila kumele ifike endlebeni eziright sure mari point amfethi bangihlukumezile ngikhalile mara angisese indoda ekhalayo sengifuna okungokwami okungizwisa ubuhlungu kulamajida la ngwabalile khona umunye bebasebenzela yena ulikhanyano ezeCC
hayibo
and uyena umuntu kahle umastermind wa yonke lento lena ukuthi bangithumela intombazana ngithathele amandla Okubhlungu ngathi le ndaba bengaqali ngami. Lento le bayenza ubaba amqala. Bamthebula bathatha amandla wakhe baphatha la eSouth Africa. So manje bebangithuma le ntombazana bebase baphinda futhi the same imikhuba yabo. Yazi ifana nani? Bangathebula wena Gift. Kuba nala ukuthi ngokwempilo isikhathi sakho mase siphelile bayakuluza or wena ispirit sakho singalwa sibaleke bangasabi necontrol. Kumele bayostrap amandla wakho enganini yakho. Angithi kunalento ukuthi inzalo yakho yona bathi in English bathi your gift will be passed to the offspring. Yazi lento le. Exactly. So 2015 bebaluza ipower, then batrapa the same power kimi. So yiko bakwazi ukontinue, bakwazi udefeata abozuma bamkhipha egamini because of baphethe yonke into lamachita. So nginga confuse that ngingene kulenye point ngimention ukuthi lento yayenziwa kubabami. What am I trying to say? After ngilwisa nentomazana ngithi lamachita la owathumile ukuthi eze kimi bakuthumile ukuthi uze kimi bayenze so. Apparently as ngimention ukuthi uLkhanyana ubabami, I mean ngimention ukuthi uLkhanyana was part of this thing. Surprisingly, this guy is my father.
Who's that?
uLkhanyana.
uLkhanyana baba wakho?
Yes.
Hayi bamthi uLkhanyana uthebula baba wakho. Mara baba wakho uLkhanyana.
Ngizoqaqisela. Ngifuna silungise lana mina mengithi ubabami ngizama uthini or ngikhuluma ngani. Ngicela ukusenda lama photo lana before ngihlala lana. Ngicela ungitshela ukuthi ubonani kulama picture lawa. If ungamind usharele ababukeli bakho. Kodwa angirelyanga kuma picture mina.
Okay.
Kodwa tshela mina ukuthi ubonani. And ubasharele ababukeli bakho ungitshela into ebonayo yini la.
Yes, continue sir.
So kube indlela ende mfethu and ukumbulelwa kwami bengidenial 5 years yonke ivela lento kimi ngimbulela yazi ukumbulelwa yina ngithi
yes ukube revealed.
Yes
5
years yonke ngideny into bengenza ukuthi ngideny isymbol ngikhule ngumzalwane ne so basifundisa ukuthi lesonto leze sisi alikhoshapo linobuthakathi ngalizonda mina sof then mase lento le message kimi kuba nzima ukuthi ngi-accept kanti lento lesigazini okubhlungu ukuthi nami ngisesontweni ngithandaza mase ngiba intense in prayer yazi ngenzani ngithi kani angizenzi
wenzani
lento yabo ngithandaza like most intense in prayer like sizwala ukuthi yazibona angizenzi isegazini lento but angiyazi ngiphethwe lento ukuthi ngumzalwane yabona kwafika la ukuthi ngaba confused ukuthi njengoba uLkhanyana ungithumela ngentombazana how come now I found out ukuthi he's my father kwenzakalani yabona ama picture
ngiyabona lama picture ngicela ukwasendela iproduction manje yes
bese ngiyazibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yami who's this guy ongithumela ngentombazana that looks like my father if you check the pictures you can see a resemblance
ukuthi kunokufana phakathi kulama picture lawo ethu lawo yes
athi ukuthi ngize ngifike lana he came to me as reveal kimi ukuthi ubabami and he was not disguising himself. There's a lot more of revelation that I cannot share openly, but itala zakhe, let's say the founders of the church, they come to me, they show me everything, they introduce me into everything. So when people say lesonto in ama scandals, I don't blame them. That's why. Ubaba Maxeso yena ophethe lesonto.
Hayi.
Ngicover le question yakho ukuthi ubaba mngithumele ngentombazana. So what I'm trying to say, just nginga deviate. I realized later ukuthi lo muntu lo hlela lapha esihlaleni akusese uyena uLkhanyana.
Hayi.
Yes.
So kubani manje?
Kunalento bayibiza ngokuthi istatue lesithebula. Usebenzise isithunzi somuntu ukudeceive umphakathi. Ngesilungu ngayibeka so ngithi ikingdom yabakhokho bami was infiltrated by the enemy. Do you understand what I'm saying by that? What am I saying?
repeat again ukhuluma ngesintu baba.
English ngibe English so that they can put it in a better way. I-kingdom yabokhokho bami was infiltrated by the enemy.
Usho ukuthi yathathwa isitha.
Yathathwa isitha. Kanjani? They got through my father ngesithebula. What I'm trying to say, babami ogulkhanyana bamthebula.
Hayibo.
And then bathatha isithunzi sakhe balida ngaso baphethe ngaso. Yiko kunemishikashika eminingi lapha esontweni. Yiko abantu abaningi bangala understand. Yiko abantu abaningi baphumile kulela sonto, abaprofit abakhulu baphumile kulela sonto. Mara abayekanga lesonto, but baphumile. Because babonile nabo ukuthi khona into wrong dana. Nami lento le cishe yenzeka kimi. Khona le time ngihlala nentomazana bangithathisa ama passport nengane bathi siye Nigeria. Bathi siyokata ama business walo baba wakhe lo msebenzayo. Kanti lapho nami bengiyothetshelwa official, meaning bebayongibulala spiritual, bafake idemona emzimbeni wami. Mengibuya bese bangenza isuccessor yakhe engasazi control, ebayicontrolayo. Nina mina nithi nidila nami kana nidila nami nidila nale spirit esiphakathi kwami.
So bagcine bekuthebulile or what happened bathebule Nigeria?
Yena baba myena wangisiza. Wavela ukhanyana spiritually wangisiza. The confusion part ukuthi spiritual nangu baba uyavela, uyangisiza, uyangiprotecta, uyangibulela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Phela uyena wangitshela ukuthi ngivula amehlo ngiqaphele intomazana le angisuri umuntu ongicabanga ukuthi uyena. But on the other hand physically so ugele yonke into akhulumayo uyasounda njengomuntu osebenzela ubani ulikhanyana. So what's going on? That's where I stayed like 5 years yonke ngiquestiona yonke lento le until to the point whereby I had to seek for my identity. And now sometimes more izinto zama identity you need to really be careful ukuthi more zama claims they can put you into trouble. But mangibona ngizelana sengikhuluma freely yangibona ngifree ngithe ukhanya nobaba wami angizidoubt ngiyazazi kunento abayibiza spiritual DNA test. And sometimes most funa if it means to go as far as going to half brothers wakho maybe uthole indlela iglass ukwenza i-DNA, if it means to do that you will do it. Then that's when you'll come with certainty.
Sure.
So yeah mfethu into engiphethe lana into enzima kakhulu okukuthi mengizelana sengifuna isihlalo sami
kulikhanyana.
Yeah, I have to succeed him, but now akusumuntu ongangibamba ngesandla angenze athi na inkosi yenu because akusese uyena.
Now you are the one supposed to be a leader maze sisi.
And namuthi ZCC uyicekela phansi. That guy is not just a bishop, he's a king. Inkosi yakho. There is this thing King Isaac Ramaphosa, as this guy ngathula ngamhleka. Ase America khuluma no Trump athi we are a sovereign country, we live in a democratic era, we don't have a king. Baqinisile. Urada nankosi. Because inkosi yendala yabulawa, dala yathetshulwa, yiko bayenza lamanyala labayenzayo la emhlabeni. And they are too comfortable ngalento bayenzayo. So what I'm trying to say kule nkulumo anina nkosi but ikhona indawo engenamnikazi. Yabuza
Engendawo enomnikazi.
exactly. So nina ama South African nihleli ngalento ukuthi in a democratic country because of anankosi. Yiko namanje sebafuna ukwenzani? Bafuna ukuthi Eastern Cape should be a independent country. You know why kwenzeka into so? Ayinamnikazi le ndawo. Umnikazi dala wawathetshulu. Hey, where have you seen a country ngaphakathi kwenye country? I mean, South Africa kuneSotho ngaphakathi, kuneSwaziland ngaphakathi. This should give you a sign ukuthi it's all about power and snatching land. Because umnikazi akekho.
Uthethuliwe. Sure.
Now, mina ngoba ngisurvivile lesithebula. Khani nizoba nenkosi and inkosi right eqinisa ezokwazi ukunihola ngendlela right. Nani ama South Africans kumele niyeke lento ukuthi nihlale ni relax and focus ekutheni niyavota ngoba emhlabeni lento ukuthi niyavota yiko nihola imigulukudu. Ilizwe lifuna kube nenkosi leyo ukuthi bathi into zamakhosi into zakudala ayisebenzi, the more ngenamakhosi the more kusazodlalela la emhlabeni. So ngenye indoda efuna isihlalo sayo ukuthi
ube inkosi yethu sonke emhlabeni
la South Africa. Namanye amazwe of course especially kuTswana because ngibheke ikingdom yaka eKhabolokhanyana. Ke babina kwena, ke babina Khomo. So logo kubanika i-claim eBotswana because that's where it is found, le kingdom. Ngokuceda amandla.
Hayi ngikulalela ngiceda manje ngikulalela.
Ngikunika ithuba.
Ngihleli nenkosi.
Ngikunika ithuba ukukhuluma.
No, I'm still wondering ukuthi inkosi enjani le engihleli nayo la ifake isicathulo ifake igcoke njengami nje but you are the king. What do you mean ukuthi inkosi spiritually noma physically noma ukuthi uma uzwa phela ulikhanyana wesikhuluma ngayo angithi unamadodana amabili uma ngifunda ngelikhanyana namadodana amabili enye istar enye ngilo ijuba so wena uyiphi indodana la or now sovela neyakho inkanyezi.
No, mina okungibuke ne. I'm not coming with the claims ukuthi mina ngiyahamba ngiyovula amasonto njengabanye because I'm not an opposer. I'm here to liberate the kingdom, not ngingathi nina. I'm here to liberate the kingdom leya na ya infiltrator isitha. So journey yami is to take over the power to the right place. Ngikunika umzekelo. Abana after ba infiltrate the kingdom yakithi ukuthi kingdom yamakhosi ngibeke kahle. These guys they penetrated deeper. Ukubheke emakhaya you guys have tribal chiefs. Tribal chiefs yazi ngikhuluma ngani nithi induna or
Ama chiefs.
Yeah,
Tribal chiefs certain place.
A certain
like one
area
level. So, yes.
Have you wondered ukuthi khona amanye ama-tribal chief abanama blue lights abanye abanama blue lights? Have you wondered? God jikhe wayibona lento ngihle ngikhuluma ngayo.
What the blue lights we are talking about?
I-security, maximum security la ukuthi uhamba nemoto zama-blue lights that are funded by government.
Okay.
Do you know why? After ba take over isihlalo, after ba take over amandla ku-kingdom yasekhaya, now they recruited amanye amakhosi ukuthi bangafuni usebenza nabo, they challenged them. It's like banade thing ukuthi if you can't beat us, join us.
Okay.
So mungabona i-tribal chief inama blue lights, they agreed to serve and work with them. That is why mungabona leyo nkosi endaweni yakho ikadevelop ezinye indawo ukuthi umuntu inkosi yakhona ayivumanga ukusebenza nabo baya neglect. South Africa ayifani. In South Africa there are places that are neglected.
Sure.
Ukuthi azina development, azina mall, azina indawo. It's not because of abafuni or akunamali. It's because of the chiefs. They can't agree to ukusebenza nalama Freemasons. But amanye ama chiefs they agreed. They offered them a blue light as a security. They offered them a salary. Do you know Makosa salary? Exactly. So this thing is big, bruh.
Okay.
But now this year it's a year for there must be exchange of power. This thing, yeah, it has to collapse. But not everyone is destined to do it. Even Nomalima, I pity him because bam defeated. He's going down and he's going to prison. He did a big mistake.
Hayibo uthini manje?
Yes, he's going down.
Usho last name
He's going down.
to prison.
Yeah, man, you know why I'm mhlulile. Because he was not destined to ukuthi abambe lelizwe. He was just an opportunist.
Okay.
Yes. And he was also working with them. They were just fighting for power among each other. So he go bam defeat. So as I'm saying, the only thing that will elevate you guys or us, because you have to be led by the rightful king. As I explained, yekale lento sonto uyikhiphe ubhekela phansi. Ifemela khanyane bangamakhosi baphethe amakhosi. I don't care ukuthi useSwaziland, I don't care useBotswana. Speaking of a kingdom yamakhosi, they are the ones who are chosen ukuthi balide. So mohle na uhlene inkosi enkulu. Kunzima for mina ukuthi ngirecognize emndenini wami. Angikhuliswa ngababami, ngikhule ngamazi, ngikhule ngazi ukuthi ubabami ubani. So came to a time whereby I was but in self-diagnosed. I was ngizifuna ukuthi ngizithole ukuthi ngubani.
Sure.
And then it led me to see. Yazi ngikhule ngiprofetwa. Ngitshelwa ukuthi nginkosi. Understand. Ngitshelwa ukuthi you are the chosen one. Ngithatha so light because everyone is the chosen one. Everyone they can just prophesy you, not understanding. Futhi benga understand the level of course le bakhuluma ngayo. I thought maybe bathi nginkosi, maybe I'm sort of a tribal chief, not ukuthi into encane. Ben kwafika la ukuthi mase ngirealize ukuthi I'm spiritually, and one thing that opened my eyes ile girlfriend le bayithumela kimi. Yini engaka bekayifuna kimi kuze amadoda angaka mfethu enginayo or engiphethe. And when later when I do a self-diagnosis, ngazibuza ukuthi ngiyinkosi eyakuphi ezalwa ubani, because if you are a king you should be rather coming from emakhosini.
Okay.
So that's how I even ended up like finding myself, and lucky enough bazintroducile amadlozi wami. I cannot sell out myself ngaleyo nto, but ngenye indoda ready for isihlalo sayo.
Sabukhosi.
Ukuthi angifuni unegotiate, I just need to challenge them. If abafuni ngesihlalo sami kumele baqaqise. Ngisho nalabalandeli babo mebangibuka bangibheka, I will challenge them ukuthi since ba profit avele bashaya iticket, angithi yazi amazisi siya profit. I'm here to challenge them. Mebangibuka babona ini, bangibuka babona inkosi yabo yini na, and those bebasaba nokukhuluma iqiniso.
It's the right time to speak.
It's the right time ukuthi bakhulume. I don't think isasekhona into zoba 13 because for future ingane zethu ngezikhula under this kind of situation. South Africa it's fucked up. And it's getting even fucked up even worse.
Because of you not being king.
Because of inkosi yeni ya controller. Inkosi yeni ithethuliwe. Akusese uyona lo muntu ophethe lapha ya. Which is mokunje kunzima. Kusetshenziswa isithunzi sakhe. You know, masimtreat ngathi akathetshulwanga, sithi hayi Matala ukhulile sona 72, kumele uthathe ibreak, uthathe ingane yakho uyifake. Sibona ukuthi uzovuma. Angeke. They are not even willing ukufaka any of his children. And I know who's eyeing for that throne. And the people, they don't see it coming. There is a guy, Bathu Uchiro, uvulisonto le Zion Creationist Church.
Okay.
Angazi yamazini.
I heard about you podcast.
Recently we are trender. Bathu hambile wavulisonto 2021. Ba operate alwela lento yobuhlali. And then kwafika la ukuthi wayenza ama DNA test. And nokhanyana ngoNovember. Now it's trending ukuthi ama DNA decline. Actually I found out last year November mina ngize ngumfazi wakhe ne. Ngize ngumfazi waLkhanyana. Ama DNA wam decline.
As a son.
Ama DNA umjida wam decline ngathula ngahleka. You know why? I did expect such thing. Yeah, now if maybe angathola chance ayizwe le podcast.
Uchiro. Okay.
Usasekhona?
Ngisasekhona. I'm listening, sir.
Okay. If angathola chance ayizwe le podcast, I would tell him ngize bathi ufuna dispute. Awusazi the story vele at all?
I don't know the story.
Uhlala kuphi umhlaba kani?
You know, but I'm a man of God.
Hayi mesiphumela ngiqala uyigoogle. Okay, this guy uhambile wavula isonto, but he claimed ukuthi umntana kaLkhanyana, which it might be true. But the wrong move that he did, wayenza ama DNA test, bam offerisha ama DNA test, wam decline. But mobheka i-background yaka guy, yes, angenzeka ukuthi mhlambe akusingane yakhe, but seemingly he is. And then there's a high possibility ukuthi vele angeke athole iqiniso. And for whatever that he's fighting for, he made a wrong move. Because ama DNA mekamqitha, so they have power over him. They can sue him, they can get him arrested. And the wrong move awenzile ukuthi yena wayenza wangayenza investigation, wangayi spiritually with this thing. iBhayibheli uyafunda iBhayibheli, there's a script that says we're not fighting against flesh and blood, we're fighting against what?
Ephesians 6 verse 10.
Yeah, ngikhothela yona.
We are not against flesh and blood, we are against principalities and the spirit.
Yes, this guy, I don't know, I respected him for one thing, but which I will mention. When the flop wahenza ama DNA test, only if he knew that bekayenza ne-clone yaka babakhe.
Okay.
He wouldn't have gone there.
Oh. It was not babakhe lo yenza
Like, I repeat, if Chiko knew ukuthi ama DNA test uyenza ne-clone yaka babakhe, should I put it like a copy yaka babakhe? If he knew ukuthi he was doing ama DNA test ne copy yaka babakhe, bengeke azayenza. And look now, sewuqekelwa phansi. No one will follow him, no one will take him serious. And he believes ukuthi bamropile ufuna ba-conduct ama DNA test ngenye indlela, he will still fail. That's not our father. I'm repeating myself, that's not our father.
So Chiko is your brother.
Chiko is my brother.
Sibling.
If you're not, definitely he is his son. Bangangenza ama DNA test now, it will appear that we are siblings. But if we go to that guy and do the DNA test, azosihlana azokicka out kuze bangasahlanya sonke.
Because that guy is not a real man.
That's when you need to go. I'm not saying it's not real man. I'm not saying that.
For now, it's our boss.
No. That's when you need to go back and open your eyes. See, singayenza ama-DNA test azovela we are brothers, but when you go to him, I was kicker out. Kwenzakalani ungathini wena? So that is why I want to advise him ukuthi mingabe he really needs to prove ukuthi ubelonga ku family yakanyana. He needs to check brother, not even mina kuphela. Kunama siblings wakhe akhona azwayo. Even if bayamalela, he can sneak and get a class or something. Something, you know, most a restaurant can get a class and do the test. Just ubakhombisa le game ebadlalayo. Angeke ikhona. So nami, if I will stand up and go there and claim ngize ngale ndlela yakhe, kuzoba ngathi siphambene sonke siyaclaim ena. Do you know why shisekela kangaka this year? Siphelile isikhathi. Sifikile isikhathi for a change of power, exactly. And akhona into engizosibhlungu mfethu. Kunomunye umjidi angiwarisha yazi, and I want him to get his hands off from my throne. He's eyeing for that throne and I'm worried. And he seemed like a very respectful man, bayamhlonipha bayamsaba
Nemali.
and unemali. Into yangayenza ngiziquestiona ngaye ngambona the other day ahlangana noShembe. He never bowed, he never showed any way of like ukukhothama or ukuzithoba. I was like, who is this man? Is it because of his 4 billion man? Like, I don't know if is this because of imali yakhe okungayenzi lento yenza or ilento afila ngathi uhamba ngaye ukuthi yena uhamba ngayo, that's why angabi lento ayona. Which is now last time I was surprised. Bahost the FNB Stadium bayenza amasonto bathi bayathandaza. iZCC was the co-host. And then I saw branding yakhe in my church.
I hear you. I remember the stadium thing.
So this guy, I see his branding, Esontweni Lam, Motsepe Foundation. And then we are not trying to host Lamasonto. What's in it for him? What is it that he's getting? I mean, he's a rich man, he's focusing on mining, soccer, and all other things. Now, what is it that he's doing in my church? Because him being given that platform,
Okay.
him to be respected in my church, who is he?
He's a billionaire.
I'm just questioning myself. I don't trust him. And now, if he's not the one who's going to succeed my father, it means he will have to pursue the presidency, and which is one thing that he also plans to do. I'm worried. I'm worried. He must be the one that
president.
He wants to be. And I'm worried.
Because this guy is rich. I don't think I'm not a politician, but if I'm scaling that guy, uba rich kwakhe, that man, I think ukuthi president is still, it's not his level. It's still a bit lower to level akuyo manje to be a president.
Yazi ithrone babami, it benefits him.
How?
Isihlalo sababam siyakhela yana empire, not ingane zaka babam. Look where I am right now. I'm suffering. Yet babam inkosi, and I'm not the only child. But babam meko inkosi. Do you know ukuthi that guy uphethe? He's the president maker. And then isihlalo sakhe sibenefita ukhazini yakho Mtsipe nesibara saka Mtsipe. What does that tell you? I mean, isibara saka Mtsipe yazivana ngithi. Bani? Ramaphosa. Khona into bayaziyo.
Abangafuni ukutshela yona.
I think ibona abasebenza ngesithunzi saka babami.
Hayi.
And I will find out, I'll get to the bottom of this. My brother, I'm not here to joke. I'm not here to flirt. If ukhona ubona ngathi asingifanele sahlalo rakusisa kithi ngegazi, makasukume. Ngenye indoda ready to do any necessary ritual to prove ukuthi ubuya kuloya mndeni. And I mean, I said enough. I'm not claiming. Ngithwele lento ngihamba nawo lawo mandla segazini, and you will never take them away.
Ulikhanyana uqobo lakho.
Ulala lokhom khuluma nami so. And should someone think of undermining me, I'll advise you to go spiritual first. Ukwenza ama spiritual DNA test. Beforehand, I'm not going to be deceived njengoChihu. Ngenziswe DNA ne copy.
Sure.
This is not the way I'm going to prove ukuthi I belong in that family. and not even ukuthi ngifuna unakwa. I really want what's mine. I need to continue lo msebenzi enginiwe wona ukuthi ngicontinue. Ethi ngikunike chance ukukhuluma.
I hear you, sir. Continue. The platform is yours.
No, ethi ngikunike
The
chance.
platform is yours. Maybe also let's allow Abugele to ask questions, any question that you have. Maybe they might confuse with isikhuluma ngani namhlanje. But hey, when you touch about indaba yesonto ye-ZCC, you are touching one of the biggest church esinayo la around eMzansi. Including in Limpopo, kune Moria laphaya, where there's more kakhuluma. I was ministering yesterday, there's more about ZCC that place. So I'm wondering, Guti, when as a becoming king, that you say you are a king, are you going to take over Amaz CC, or you are going to just be a king without being included in the church as a CC?
Yonke le responsibility inikwe mina.
Okay.
Yonke le prophecy ebonayo ngalesontweni inikwe mina. Wonke lamandla obonayo ngalesontweni kunikwe mina.
Okay.
Ukushona kwami angakayenzi umsebenzi wami kungacollapse yonke lento lena.
Hayi.
Kungacollapse lento yobukhosi la eSouth Africa. Ungafanya ubukhosi kube
Ungashona wena ungasinko.
kuma kuzoba lento yabo already bayibula yobukhosi ukuthi sekunama minister. Have you noticed ukuthi imayor bay respect more than inkosi? Have you checked my in communities?
Watch it.
I mean, like ama mayors ngathi amakhosi mele report ku. The way they bayibiza in English, they be suppressed or by destabilized, angazi if I'm using the correct English. Ubukhosi ngakhona they be undermining ngakhona they be overtake ipower yobukhosi, which is I really have to take that responsibility ngibuyisana lento yobukhosi so that indawo nendawo ibe nomnikazi, kungabi nalama game abawadlalayo abathi bafuna indawo yabo, futhi singa contest ipower nebelungu. Angizame ngithi contest ipower nebelungu khuluma ngani?
Angikwazi ukukhuluma ngani.
Seeing a white man that has brought apartheid and then now contesting for power. Who are they? Abobani bacanga ukuthi abobani bona ukuthi bangaphathi ilizwe leSouth Africa. Ngoba akunamnikazi, akunankosi. You guys don't have a king.
And the king is sitting with me
I'm
here.
coming. My worry ukuthi South Africa ngiyazi ngolili contaminated. There will be those who will be negative and speak bad. Angidingi ukuziprova. Me being a king, I'm not just a king. There's deeper meaning behind that. Khona la ngiqhamuka khona, khona la ngibuya khona in spirit. So ungang-undermine ungizonde ungangizondi kodwa yonke indawo inomnikazi wayo. There's no free land. There's no free country.
Yes. You mentioned isibongo sakho when before we start here. So Amalopo.
Sakamamam, sakamlopo.
Umlopo. So Umlopo have a conversation no Lehanyani before.
There's a lot of lineage ehlanganayo kakhulu futhi.
Umama kono.
Yeah,
She's still alive.
Ukuthi umzalwane no ukuthi wena umzalwane I was gonna dive deeper. And a prom ukuthi ngiworried nangawe futhi.
Dive deeper baba, dive deeper.
Ngizoba inkosi wena uzongibiza ngesatanic.
Like how?
Yabona the way you guys are seeing uShembe ngakhona. Yafana naye. The difference mina angakaphakami.
Okay.
And then missing nimbona nje ngendle ngumuntu osebenzela iKingdom of Darkness or who's saving fallen angels. Ila angeke sibone eye to eye mina now because ngiyafana naye.
So no Shembe, we are in the same level.
I might be above because I'm the new generation.
Okay.
Yeah. So into ngizocacisela ngibeke in short. Mobona indoda efana naye. Indoda embathwe umnikazi. Indoda embathwe umnikazi ngibeke kahle ngesizulu ne. Embathwe bathini? Imbathwe amakhosazana, imbathwe inzunza. Khuluma ngento eclear kahle kahle. Ungayijiki angizi na in your Bible nithini. Ama fallen angels.
Okay.
That's where you guys fail to understand the power. And that's why you'll never taste the power. Because you demonize everything. So nami ngenye indoda eready ukuthi mengimele ngamukele igift yami nejeni yami. Into ngizozenza, some you will see me as umuntu obhedayo. Abanye ni might say ngithwele. And only if you can sit down and understand where is the real power coming from.
So when you're above Ushembe?
Not ukuthi ngingcono. ne-generation ezayo they will be above me.
So for now you are above unyazi lwezulu.
Angifuni sibeke indlela yokudelela ne.
Yeah.
Ngimncane kunaye.
Okay.
And then
Ngokwe age.
yes, angithi i-generation engaphansi kuye it carries more power than him. Nami engaphansi kimi carries more power. It's not about the competition.
Okay.
But umuntu ombethwe ithunya zesamanzini, umuntu ombethwe amakhosazana, umuntu ombethwe abanikazi bentaba kaSpade irekibe mungathaba. Indoda embethwe umnikazi wentaba, indoda embethwe like amandla wasemanzini.
Okay.
So loyo muntu ungamangala abantu baguqa bamthandaza, abathandazi yena bathandaza lento ekuye.
So you too as well, you are going
people
there.
will do that because
Bathandaza wena, but they will-
bazobabona
bazoguqa
lamandla.
kwabo.
Yes, bazobabona lamandla. And what makes
So
me
sithini ngeBhayibheli mfowethu uma usho kanje ngoba lithi iBhayibheli wonke amadola ayogubha. Nazo ke ilimi zobabazi ithi uJesu inkosi. How come ukuthi wena sokucelwe wena manje?
yazi angiyithini zonguqala, but I'm just giving you a hint ne. Na into emele ngakuconfuse my brother. Sonke singane zakaNkulunkulu.
Yes.
Kodwa among ingane zakaNkulunkulu kunalabo abathi bakhethiwe and they are red, they are few, they might be four in the whole world. Do you know what makes them different with you? Do you know what makes difference between you and me?
Okay.
Ngisuka ngiyingane ngisuka ngiyimbewu yakaNkulunkulu. Do you hear what I'm saying?
Okay.
Do you hear
The
what I'm
seed
saying?
of God. Uyimbewu kaNkulunkulu.
Ngisuka ngiyimbewu yakaNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu
Nami ngiyimbewu kaNkulunkulu.
wena we bathini, you are a creation.
Hayi,
Ngiyimbewu yakaNkulunkulu. Okay. Do you know inkosi isukaphi? Inkosi kusuka kuyimbewu yakaNkulunkulu. That's why kunalento igazi lobukhosi. Kusuka angayibeka kanjani nethi ngicacise ngibeke clear past ne. Mina ngenkosi nginomfazi ngilala naye. Ngaba nengane ezifo, amanga ingane ezifo kuba nengane ehlukayo okuthiwa ikhethekile. What makes leyo ngane ekhethekile? Ngale langa mina ngiphrikisa leyo ngane. Umnikazi wamanzi orwentaba lo ngibathile usuka angibethe ngaleso sikhathi ngiphrikisa leyo mama. So igazi la kamnikazi lisuka kuba lona elikhanda leyo ngane. Ingane yakho ihlukile. Inamandla.
Sure.
Ingane yakho iconnecta no universe. Ingane yakho mebathini igazi lobukhosi, there's deeper in that. Abanye abantu bazokutshela ukuthi ne type O akabanjwa i-AIDS.
Hayibo. Now it's ayikubambi, shy and protect.
Ngibambi. Hayi ukuthi ngizenza ngcono. Umehluko ukuthi I'm different. I'm a different species in spirit. Mungibuka. People who are spiritual, they know. They can tell you my appearance is far different from mungibona ngiso.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Masiye kuBhayibheli.
Wait, siyakanjani kuBhayibheli because wena you are big than it.
Yazi ngikhule ngumzalwane. Ngeke ngithi ngumzalwane ongcono kunabanye abazalwane. But ngiqale ngina11. Asike script engazazi. Ayikho into engayazi. Mina ngesontweni ngisuka ngiyomamela into abayirepeatayo because ayikho into engasayazi.
So you know every verse, you know every book, you
yes.
know every...
Asike futhi mina futhi ngaba to the level ukuthi ngifunda iBhayibheli ngibuye ngibukela nama Bible stories wakhona kuma YouTube.
Okay.
Whereby I understand every detail. Angeke ngiqama manga. I saw a contradiction, a confusion, a deception inside the Bible.
So you are against the Bible?
No. Kwangishiya with the moment of challenging iBible. I'm not saying I neglect her. I'm questioning iBible so many times. And then to a point whereby I see ukuthi kunamanye ama script as dismantle thina missing abantu ukuthi singa access amandla wethu asale nawo. Mina according to iBible le ndlela engizoyihamba iBible iyademonize.
Demon.
Yes. Mina ingilosi lami
You need a
elivelile.
deliverance.
Bima. Ingilosi lami mina elivela kimi lele lintroduce amandla kimi gift kimi according to your Bible idemon. Sikhuluma ngeinzunza lana, sikhuluma ngenkosazana.
Le nkosazana akusiyo le yakhulunywa yenye indoda la idemoni. Because naye yathi inkosazana something like
Simon one.
wakhuluma ngemuni lo mfolo.
No, that's another level of spirituality. That's another level of spirituality.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yiyo ngithi I came to a point ukuthi mina iBhayibheli ngilifoldile. I'm facing what I'm facing. Njengoba ngishilo ngathi ngiyambulelwa. I don't see the world the way nina nibona ngakhona. Mina I don't see Michael Gabriel. I don't see such angels. Angels that I see they're far different. I'll see a white snake, big one.
white snake, a
coming
big
and
one.
talking. Yes,
That's a demon, bro.
exactly, according to your Bible. But ngesizulu bathi sonini nanini, amanye amazulu bathi inzunza, mapedi re ke monga sebaka, abanye bathi monga thaba. Uyena uNkulunkulu wenu.
This is one of the angel, and another
And
one
that
is
is teaching you ukuthi lo uNkulunkulu wenu we demon. That is a lie. What makes you believe lento besho lana?
le Bible.
Angithi angibelieve.
But you declared it.
I took a break ukuthi ngingazi-confuse mina because ekumbulelwa kimi. That is why I repeat, you guys will not be introduced to the real power. I'm trying to say to you, uthola ukuthi uzala une-gift, ne?
Okay.
Because of that, it's yakuvala from the truth. Angeke uze gift yakhe manifest.
Sure.
Ngike ngaphupha mina the other day kwafika inyoka emhlophe ekhuluma nami, ikhuluma something that I might not mention. Ngafasta ngathandaza ngithi ngamadimona, but that thing isuka from Bible reading. Later when I was better explained, then I got to understand. What I'm trying to say, ungeza namanje nabantu abagula shy mina nawe sibone. Mina bazophola.
So nabantu abagulayo abalapha kunje.
Ngazala nginayo lento. Ukuthi kumele mature to the fullest. But I can demonstrate the power namanje. I can even like speak now mengisuka la imvula inethe. I'm not claiming my brother.
Unithi sivula.
Mengisuka la singabheja manje.
Sure.
I can request imvula inethe manje mengiphuma la ngiphuma inethe vele.
Kanti imvula inethiswa uNkulunkulu.
That's why you missed the point. Ngingane yakabani?
You are the king akalekhanyana.
When you are positioned as a king, do you know what does it mean to call someone a
does it
king? Ngingane yaNkulunkulu. You are, should I call you a messenger or right hand man yaNkulunkulu? Maybe I should better explain it. Ukuthi when mesithi umuntu wenkosi sikhuluma ngani. Unkosi usuka uyi-representative yaNkulunkulu emhlabeni.
Sure.
That's a better word that I can explain to you.
But you're not same level with God.
uNkulunkulu is the Father. And abantu mebakhothama basuka babona lento ngaphakathi. So mobona abantu bangikhothamela ungangibizi ngesatanism mina.
But there are some going to bow for you.
They will. I've already saw that in spirit. Ukuthi ngizidefine ukuthi I'm a king. I saw them bowing for me. I saw the church of ZCC bowing for me. I questioned myself. I questioned prophets. Then I added to the profits that I've been getting when I grew up. I started to see, oh, okay, when they say I'm a king, that's my throne.
So how you will reach to that throne? Uzoyenza kanjani ukuthi
Njengoba
uthole
ngishilo, I don't
because
see
kuhlela abantu abanemali kulesa
I don't see ubaba mangibamba ngesandla angibamba so, but
Okay.
I'm also going to challenge. Let me put things spirit. Ngitlo challenge khoro ya bakalkhanyane ne. Nalaba basesontweni bonke abaphiwe ma position. I'm going to challenge them to stand for the truth. If they see me ukuthi angisinkosi, I'm not the, I don't have to succeed khanyane. I will allow them to write me off, but they must state their reasons. But if abazi abakho sure, I'll ask them to take me for a challenge. Siye la mele siye khona. There are rituals that need to be done to show ukuthi I'm the king. I need them to take me there. Ngiyobuya ngiphila mina. Because ngingani.
Let's leave ama-DNA aside.
Ngawayenza mara nengane yakhe. I'm not interested kwenza naye. Uzongishaya and uzongisalensa njengoChiro. Chiro they silence him. Now he has power. He lose power kahle kahle. One more word, arrest. So udlala in their field.
Sure.
Sita in theirs. Only if he has done a proper consultation. He would have seen ukuthi our father is no more.
So because of time, because we are running out of time, it's almost an hour now. What should we expect from you? Not from you, usual, from this year, 2026, as in a position of being a king. I believe we go down my vision. What should we expect this year?
Okay, what's going to happen now? Ngizokhuluma njengenkosini, ne?
Okay.
I see people are getting too comfortable, fighting for power, fighting for position, and doing as they please. I've seen a lot of damage that has been done. Abana uNkulunkulu mekayekela igirlfriend yami, baby mama ezimpilweni yami. He wanted me to see damage abayenzayo. He wanted me to see ukuthi the system yabe operate kanjani so that when I come in, the approach should be smart. But I want people to be ready for a change of power. Angifuna uqambela mama, I'm not going to flirt around it. If ngikhuluma so ikhona inkosi engibhekile, if maybe usebenza nabo, start to withdraw because the real king is coming. And we want to accommodate abantu abasebenzela ama-Freemasons. People are here for wealth, for money, for power. Uyakuzwa mngani wami? Into engizoyisho ukuthi people must be prepared. There will be change of power. Ngithule kakhulu for isikhathi eside bengisakhula bengisafunda, and then now they think ayikho inkosi. Ikhona inkosi seyifikile njengoba ngikhuluma nansi niyayibona inkosi yakhuluma, and uma ngabe ukhona ubona ngathi yena ongaphezulu kwami ngicela azisondeza akazicacise ukuthi ungiopposa njengani, and I don't need ukuthi abantu baze bangithande. uNkulunkulu yena wangibeka.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. I believe also you can also share the word of motivation to the people, especially who are willing to hear more about this, or to what you can say to them, or encourage.
This one, it has been my concern. Even let me rather also say it to you. Let me put it in short. You look like somebody who's spiritually gifted. And for you to find yourself, you need to seek.
Yes.
You need to go and look for your God. Yakala lo nkulunkulu wakufundisa yena. And not ukuthi uyamneglecta what they taught you, but thatha break from what you were taught emasontweni. Hambe ufuna uNkulunkulu wakho, hambe entabeni yothandaza, umcela avele uzovela uNkulunkulu wakho. You will see he's far different from lo bakufundisa yena. Once you meet your God, it's when your spirit gift will operate fully. But musaphethe lewe phethe, calling your guides madimona, my friend. I don't know what I can say to you.
Sure.
I wish you can go seek for your God. Don't inherit lo nkulunkulu abakufundisa yena. Unkulunkulu akuhlukile kunalabo unkulunkulu abakufundisa yena. There's a lot of things that don't make sense. So in all, go look for your God. You will see your gift will work.
Sure.
Don't have to die with your gift.
Thank you so much, sir. Most of people, when they come here, abashilo ukuthi gift you are gifted. But I would like us also to, you said you don't have a problem with the Bible.
No, sure thing.
Matthew 24, verse number 1. As Jesus was living in the temple grounds, his disciples pointed out to him the various temple buildings. But he responded, do you see all these buildings? I'll tell you the truth, that they will be completely demolished. Not one stone will be left on top of another. Later, Jesus sat in the Mount of Olives. His disciple came to him privately and said, tell us, when will all this happen? What sign will signal your return and the end of the world? Jesus told them, don't let anyone mislead you. For many will come in my name, claiming, I'm a Messiah. They will deceive many, and they will hear of wars and threats of wars. But don't panic. Yes, the things must take place, but at the end won't follow immediately. Nation will go to war and against nation, and the kingdom against kingdom. There will be famines and earthquakes in many parts of the world. But this is the only first of the bad things, with more to come. This is what Jesus said. He said, then you will be arrested, persecuted, and killed. You will be hated all over the world because you are my followers. And many will turn away from me and betray and hate each other. And many false prophets will appear and deceive many people. Sin will be rampantly everywhere, and the love of many will grow cold. But the one who endures to the end will be saved. And the good news about the kingdom will be preached throughout the whole world, so that all nations will hear it. And at the end will come. The day is coming when we'll see what Daniel has prophet spoken about, the screligious object that caused discretion and standing in the holy place. So then those in Judea must flee to the hills, and the person out on the deck of the roof must not go down into the house to beg. A person out in the field must not return even to get the coat. How terrible it will be for a pregnant woman for nursing a mother in those days. Those are my last words. Reading this book, I hope you understand this book.
Can I give you homework? I had everything.
You had everything?
Yeah.
Come in the name of the
person
Messiah.
who wrote this script is a sweet talker and is very smart. Can I say something? There is a script in John. I'm not sure if it's 24 or it's 11. It says, I'm the offspring of David. I'm the morning star. That's Jesus saying that.
Okay.
Just as the script.
I heard about, I know the words, but I don't know where exactly it is.
It's John, somewhere John 11 or 24. I'm the offspring of King David. And he mentioned some words, and I'm a morning star. The morning star that is known as Lucifer.
So bengikufakazela la ukuthi, as you said, ukuthi there are many kings, some of them what even Jesus said there were many come as a messenger. Many people will try to deceive people as a messenger. This is a verse actually saying ukuthi baningi amakhosi sekakhona today, as you are saying ukuthi amanye they are copies and stuff. So which means even the Bible that you neglect, it's also saying the same thing. ukuthi there are many coming as a messengers, but uma sibheka cha, they are not aligned with the will of God. I hope it makes sense.
With the Bible.
Guys, let's meet again in the next episode. Amen.
Ungazibulali saphelele sonke. Mfowethu, dadwethu, amehla akagcwele inyembezi. Ameva ohlangabezene nawo empilweni, ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni. Miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni. Bona usaphilelani emhlabeni. Imihla namalanga kuvela okubi esigebeni. Labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni. Inkingo onazo siphunyukile esifubeni. Akekho ongazezweni. Uthulele bezidla ngaze ematafuleni. Ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki. Ngisona senkonzweni usile kodwa kusakhonzeki. Ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki. Ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile. Imicabango yakho iphazamisekile. Amaphupho akho adukile. Usuphila impilo ongayithandile. Imisamo yonke uyivakashelile. Imali igcina iphelile kodwa akukho kulungile.